Честная муверна на паре.
Gonna be 42 liters.
So hi guys, I'm having this super tasty cherry liquor wine, which is one of the specialities of Kheer City, and can't tell you how excited I am to have this drink. It's basically, you know, kind of wine, and they put some cherries inside it, and it's super tasty, believe me. Having it for the first time in my life, and it is one of the must experiences for anybody who is traveling to Ukraine. So you have the option of having this drink either in this kind of, you know, glass, or there is a option for takeaway also. So since I wanted to experience this in the most authentic way, so I decided to go for a glass, and fortunately for me I got a space also. Outside there's no space, so thankfully inside I got just next to the counter, I got a table, and then yeah, just enjoying the drink. So usually the place is kind of always crowded, and there was a waiting to get this drink, especially today being weekend. A lot of people are flocking to these outlets and to have a good time, and I did not get a space outside. Fortunately I got a space to have this drink alone, peacefully. So just showing you how the guy at the counter is selling the drink. The best part is that the guy at the counter can speak in English very well, so I did not have any challenge in terms of explaining them. Otherwise that could be one of the biggest hurdles to explain somebody that what you want, especially when you go to majority of the restaurants here. It becomes very difficult to explain them what you want, because most of the things are written in the local Ukrainian language, so it's not easy to find out what is written. And then when you are talking to them, that time also not every time you will find people who can understand and conversate with you in English. So that way I was kind of lucky here to find this guy and who can speak very well in English, and then I was able to talk to them and get my drink. Just look at those barrels behind the counter. That is where they're storing the wine. And then look at the fascinating decor. Those guys are kind of, you know, completely occupied. I thought of, you know, having a word with them, but looks like they are totally occupied. So do visit to any of these drunk cherry outlets. In fact, there are plenty of outlets like this, and do pay a visit to any of these stores, and you will not be disappointed to have this drink. Believe me, I really loved it. So cheers. So here is another drunk cherry outlets which I visited in Odessa, another city in Ukraine. You can speak English or understand? Okay. All right. So wanted to have one wine.
Okay,
Okay.
here to go?
I'll have it here in the glass.
Okay. It's cherry wine.
Okay. Can I record this?
Oh?
This one?
Yeah.
So why is it called cherry wine? So what is it made of?
17.5 alpha procent.
17.5% alcohol.
Yeah, 17.5.
Okay. How much is the charge?
40 hryvnia.
This wine is made of cherry?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.